Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maryam Kapama. Thank you very much for coming back. If you're new, welcome, and if you are a returning supporter, regular watcher, day one subscriber, everyday supporter, thank you very much, and I so much appreciate. If you're newish, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell notification so you get notified every time I do an upload. First thing first, today I'm back with an amazing video whereby we're going to speak about stuff that worked for my hair in 2021 that we're going to carry on with in 2022. My hair has evolved. I was reading a comment. Somebody was saying your hair is long, but remember, my hair did not come from this point. My hair took some time. I spent moments with my hair. Being with natural hair, you have to be consistent, and consistency is the only thing that's going to grow your hair. Consistency demonstrates faith. So if you want to grow your hair and you believe your hair is going to grow longer, you have to be consistent. So I'm going to hook you up with products that personally I'm going to carry on with in this new year in 2022, that you should get to know them, and they might help you as well because they grew my hair. Why not? They will also going to grow your hair. So if that's growing your hair longer, thicker, healthier, and voluminous is your goal, then please keep on watching. So my number one go-to gear in 2022 is none other than Cactus. So I've been using Cactus for a period of time now, a long period of time now, and my hair has evolved. I'm going to insert for you to see for yourself, because we're not going to do much talking in 2022. We're just going to show you. We are here to show you the results. We are here to give you what it takes. So this is my baby girl. It's my go-to partner. It's my go-to deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner. What else? Pre-poo. The silk is amazing and it's really good at growing your hair. I have questions from the superstar. Be sure to check the video and watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to give you a disclaimer about this. Just to show you a recap of this is the Scalp. It's perfect for helping the scalp clear out. If your scalp is clogged, or if your scalp is peeling out, shedding some stuff, be sure to watch this video to the very end. I'm going to hook you with what you need in order to grow your hair thicker, healthier, and voluminous. So be sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and also share if you can, because we give value, we are so informative in here. And also the video that I'm going to recommend, another thing would be cloves. I've been using cloves for a long time. I've been using clove, and I'm not going to stop, because I'm not going to stop. If something is working for you, superstar, you should stick to that thing, because why not? I'm a person where when I find something that's working for me, I stick to it no matter what. So that thing, I've been growing my hair, it have turned my hair really, my hair was brownish texture and it was not so soft, but now my hair is turning way blacker than it was before, and it's getting soft, glossy, juicy, and bouncy. So I love my hair that way. So there's no way I'm going to stop using cloves. I've been using cloves for leave-in conditioner. My spray bottle is always packed with clove. I've been using cloves. So if you don't know cloves, Number 2, the most amazing, powerful hair growth treatment that I've tried in the previous year that I'm also going to stay with it in this year is moringa powder. This powder right over here is amazing. It has grown my hair from time to time. I've been using it, mixing it with cactus, mixing it with some cloves and some onions. I will attach the DIYs that I did previously for you to see for yourself. But this powder is amazing. It has grown my hair. It's having amazing properties. I'm going to attach a video with all the details and information about this deep conditioner that I've been using, about the moringa powder, and where you can get it for yourself and make it for yourself as well. So be sure to check it. I'm also going to attach the video and the info here, so be sure to click it and check it, because in this video truly I'll be ungrateful if I'm not going to mention what onion juice did to my hair. I'm going to stick with that juice for a very long time, because pause first now, because I need to show you something. My hair went through a phase where the scalp was peeling out, and that juice saved my entire life when it comes to my hair journey, because at that point I was so shocked. I thought I'm going to lose my hair out of those dandruff, because dandruff was killing me. I searched on Google, I searched on YouTube, I watched a bunch of videos, but that juice did the thing. So I'm also going to show you how I prepared that juice, and that's what superstar. My hair, I've gone through stuff. I've been using DIYs that I make for you guys, as you have already seen, but this powerful rice water thing, it gave me heights. My hair have grown longer. It have been way blackish than it was before. My hair was brownish in between there, but now my hair is black and the volume is amazing. I love my hair. I love my hair so much. So if you want to grow your hair in 2022, do not sleep on rice water. And if you want to make a pro rice water, I need to hook you with this video right over here, because I mix a lot in my rice water, not just rice water alone. I make sure I add in the water, and that rice water is amazing. You see this? It have done magic on my hair. My hair now cannot stop growing, because first of all, it's a protein treatment, so I'm not going to use any other different protein, because that thing is working for me. Also, I'm open to new things. I'm going to try some other protein treatments, but that one I'm going to stick to it for a very long time as well. Superstar, this will be the last thing, but if you're suffering from scalp issue, please do not stop this. It's going to clarify your scalp. My scalp was peeling, and this also helped me very much a lot. So if your scalp looks like this and you want to transform to a clear scalp as such, you see that? I recommend you to watch this video right over here, because it have helped me clear my scalp way lots, because you need to know how to make this. So I'm going to leave you with this video over here. Be sure to check it. Also, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed, please